Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of AFI's DIYs. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a solid conditioner bar with only 5 simple ingredients. Stick around to find out how to make this useful and surprisingly easy DIY. Let's take a look at the recipe. First, gather materials. You will need a medium-sized glass bowl, a hot plate, a whisk or a glass stirring rod, a mold to pour your solution in, and a container to store your finished product. To make 4 ounces of product, you will need 30% or 1.2 ounces of cocoa butter, 30% or 1.2 ounces of dihydroammonium chloride, 20% or 0.8 ounces of cetyl alcohol, 17% or 0.68 ounces of almond oil, and 3% or 0.12 ounces of fragrance oil. For today's fragrance, I went into the AFI library and chose Vanilla Silk. This scent pairs great with the product and will leave your hair smelling luxurious. There are thousands of fragrances to choose from, so be sure to explore your options on our web store. It smells amazing. Make sure to check the IFRA limits on the fragrance you choose to ensure that you're using at the right percentage. Alright, let's get started. First, combine your cocoa butter. Then add dihydroammonium chloride. Next, add cetyl alcohol. And finally, almond oil into a medium-sized glass bowl. Place the bowl on low heat and begin stirring your ingredients. Continue mixing your ingredients over heat until they have melted. Take the solution off heat and begin stirring in your choice of fragrance oil. Now pour the solution into your molds. Allow the conditioner bars to cool down and solidify before use. This usually takes about 24 hours. You can store your products in an airtight container when you are not using it. And look, you have your very own conditioning bar. This product ended up costing us about $1, and you can sell it at wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $5 to $6. To use your conditioner bar, simply apply to wet hair after shampooing to make your hair silky and soft. If you like this product, make sure to check out our video on DIY lotion bars. These 2 products put a fun spin on your traditional ideas of lotions and conditioners. That's all I have for you today. I'm Kayla, and thanks for watching AFI DIY. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the link in the description below, as all of the products and chemicals used in this video will be linked there. Bye!